Moomoo and Thinkorswim are two popular trading platforms used by investors and traders. To determine the best trading tool for 2025, we will compare their features, functionality, and user experience. First, let's look at Moomoo, a trading platform that offers a wide range of investment products, including stocks, options, and ETFs. Moomoo also provides real-time market data, news, and analysis to help users make informed investment decisions. Next, we have Thinkorswim, a professional-level trading platform that offers advanced trading tools and features. Thinkorswim provides users with access to real-time market data, technical analysis tools, and customizable trading platforms. When comparing the two platforms, Moomoo is more geared towards beginner and intermediate traders, while Thinkorswim is more suited for advanced traders. Moomoo offers a user-friendly interface and a mobile app, making it easy to trade on the go. Thinkorswim, on the other hand, offers more advanced trading tools and features, but has a steeper learning curve. In terms of fees, Moomoo does not charge any commissions on trades, while Thinkorswim charges a small commission on certain trades. To choose the best trading tool for your needs, consider your level of trading experience, investment goals, and the types of investments you want to make. If you are a beginner or intermediate trader, Moomoo may be the better choice. If you are an advanced trader, Thinkorswim may be the better option. Ultimately, the best trading tool for 2025 will depend on your individual needs and preferences. It is essential to do your research, compare features and fees, and try out different platforms before making a decision. By choosing the right trading tool, you can improve your trading experience and achieve your investment goals.